Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, earning money through online surveys and microtasks. If you are looking for ways to make money online in your spare time, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore how you can earn money by participating in online surveys and completing microtasks. So let's dive in. Introduction to online surveys and microtasks. Online surveys and microtasks are popular methods of earning money online. Companies and organizations conduct surveys to gather consumer opinions and feedback, while microtasks involve completing small tasks for a fee. These opportunities allow individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes on their own schedule. Online survey platforms. There are numerous online survey platforms where you can sign up to participate in surveys and earn money. Popular platforms include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Tulona. It's important to research and choose reputable platforms that offer a wide range of surveys and have a good reputation for timely payments. Qualifying for surveys. Before participating in surveys, you may need to complete a profile or qualification survey to determine your eligibility for specific surveys. These qualification surveys gather demographic information to match you with surveys that align with your interest and background. Be honest and accurate when completing these surveys to increase your chances of qualifying for more surveys. Tips for maximizing survey earnings. To maximize your earnings from online surveys, consider the following tips. A. Complete your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date to receive relevant survey invitations. B. Be consistent. Regularly check your email or survey platform for new survey opportunities and respond promptly. C. Participate in focus groups. Some surveys may offer opportunities to participate in focus groups or product testing, which often provide higher compensation. D. Refer friends. Many survey platforms offer referral programs where you can earn additional money by referring friends and family. Microtask platforms. Microtask platforms connect individuals with small tasks that can be completed remotely. These tasks may include data entry, transcription, image tagging, content moderation, and more. Popular microtask platforms include Amazon, Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Microworkers. Similar to survey platforms, research and choose reputable microtask platform with good payment records. Identifying legitimate microtasks. While there are legitimate microtask opportunities available, it's important to be cautious and avoid scams. Look for tasks from reputable clients, read reviews, and check the payment history of the platform. Avoid tasks that require you to provide personal or financial information. Managing time and earnings. To effectively earn money through online surveys and microtasks, it's important to manage your time and earnings. Set aside dedicated time for completing surveys and tasks. Keep track of your earnings and consider setting goals to motivate yourself. Be realistic about the income potential and don't rely solely on online surveys and microtasks for significant income. Payment methods and redemption options. Different survey and microtask platforms offer different payment methods and redemption options. Some platforms pay cash via PayPal or direct deposit, while others offer gift cards, vouchers, or virtual currencies. Familiarize yourself with the payment methods and redemption options available on the platforms you choose. Online safety and privacy. When participating in online surveys and microtasks, it's crucial to prioritize online safety and protect your privacy. Be cautious of sharing sensitive personal information and ensure that the platform you use have proper security measures in place. Review the privacy policies of the platforms to understand how your data is used and shared. Congratulations, you have learned about earning money through online surveys and microtasks. Remember, sign up for reputable survey and microtask platform, complete your profile, be consistent, maximize your earnings, manage your time and earnings effectively, and prioritize online safety and privacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.